Jelly Bunnies, welcome back. It's me, Jenny. I hope you guys can see me there. Okay, I have a haul video from Michael's. I decided to make this into a two-part video because I don't want to torture you guys. I have like some really beautiful paper that I just recently got from Michael's, and I kind of want to go through it in detail with you guys. So I figured if you want to see the paper part of this video, you can go to that video, and if you want to see the crafting part of this video, then you can go to that video. So it's gonna be a two-part video. I'm going to show you first the stuff that I got, and then we're going to go into the papers. So I recently, Michael has a sale, or it's not really a sale. I think it's more like a permanent thing now, because every time I go to Michael's, I see that same price. And they have their punches for $10. I bought this punch, which is a circle punch, quite a while back. It was about, I would say about a few weeks ago, but I never really did a whole video on it. I haven't even used it yet. I already took it out of the package. I do like that the circle is really gigantic. I mean, huge. And I thought that it would be a really good thing to use for you know, embellishments. They also have other punches that I'm kind of interested in going back and getting, but this one and the other one that I'm going to show you, which is this one, is one of the ones that I really was more interested in purchasing. I bought this star, which I actually love this size of star. I'm not sure if they have one that's a little bigger in size. I might pick that up if they do. I don't remember. I do remember that when I did purchase this, I did not want to get like a huge size of a star, and I did not want to get like a small size of a star. I wanted it like in the middle, you know, and this was the perfect size. So I got this one at Michael's, also $10. And I just love the little star, you know, punch. I can really do a lot of nice embellishments using this. So I also purchased a few other things, which I thought it was really awesome. The first thing that I got was, this is something that's old. It's an old collection. They have these really in clearance right now. If you go to Michael's and you're able to find these collections, they really literally like change. I mean, they're like $1.50, $1.25, ridiculous amount, if they even still have it. But I go to two Michael's. I go to the one in Secaucus, and I go to the one in Clifton, and so those two Michael's really always have stuff left over, and I really love that. So I went to the clearance section and I found more of these collections that they were selling like over the summer, and I bought more of these crepe paper. I don't know what I'm doing with this paper. All I thought about was Christmas in my mind, because of the pink and the purple, because of the collection that I just recently got at scrapbook.com. These colors really go with that collection. So that's all I thought about when I picked up more of this crepe paper. Not to mention that I got it for like $1.25 or maybe like $1.50. I mean, super cheap, super cheap. You get let's see, you get 40 sheets in here. It's ridiculous. It's super cheap. I love it. I also in my mind thought about Valentine's Day, so it's really an awesome thing to get. If you are able to purchase some of these, just get them, get a few, you know, put them in a little set of your corner of your desk. You will eventually use these, because these colors are so easy to work with different, you know, projects that you'll use them. I also picked up another one of these backyard table papers. This is the 6x6. I already have so many of this. I think I have like 4 or 5 of the same pad, but again, it was like $1.25. I could not say no. I just picked it up one. I just picked one up because I just love it. I think it's beautiful. And again, in my mind, I'm thinking Valentine's Day. I'm thinking maybe like a Valentine's Day kit. So I'm just like all over, to be honest with you. And that's why I picked this up. So I also found this, which I thought it was brilliant, this Z fold card and envelope set. I've never seen this before. It's supposed to be one of those like Z fold cards, and they had them in the clearance section for $3. The original price for this is $10. So I said, wow, this is really a good price. So I picked up one, and I thought this would be awesome to do like a, you know, a video for you guys, a tutorial using this kind of card. I never use a Z fold card, but hey, there's a first time for everything. So I thought it would be a good idea to pick this up. And so I got that. I also picked up some of this collection. Also, again, is part of this one that was in clearance. They had a whole bunch of these different stamps and die sets. I am not really a really good person using dies. I do have a machine that I can use my die, but I don't. I will try my best to do more like using these kind of like stamps and die sets in the future, but I don't really use them. But I did like the stamp that has this cute, adorable little, chunky, cute whale. I thought it was so cute. I love it. And then along with the other like little sayings that it has, not to mention that it has a unicorn. Look at that right there, a unicorn horn, which I just like, oh my gosh, this is a beautiful. I love it. So I had to pick this up. I thought it was super cute. I can actually use this unicorn horn in other projects as well. So I just loved it. I also picked up, and again, it has the matching little die, so that's perfect. I also picked this up, which I thought it was absolutely adorable. It's supposed to be a sushi stamp and die set. I thought it was really brilliant. I originally picked this up thinking that I can do like a Halloween project using this sushi little stamp. Never really thought about it. I don't think I'm gonna make this part of my Halloween series, but I probably will make it for Christmas. So I thought it was really a cute little image with some of these really awesome little like this one says, wishing you a good fortune, good luck, roll. This one says, I like the way you are. It's just really sweet, adorable little wordings in it, and I thought it was so cute. I just loved it. And you can use these for so many different things. It doesn't have to be food related. Again, I'm going to use it for Halloween. Well, I was going to use it for Halloween. I'm going to use it for Christmas. It's just really fun. I think I'm catching a cold, guys. My voice sounds really weird. I feel like kind of weird. Like my voice sounds weird. I feel a little bit strange. I might be catching something. I don't know. I hope not. Okay, so I bought this like really fun topper at Michael's. It's Halloween. Oh my gosh, they had the cupcake liners out now, which I fell in love with, but I didn't pick it up because I wasn't ready to purchase it. I want to go back and just take my time, but I definitely am going to pick up a few cupcake toppers and cupcake liners that they do have, which is really super cute. I did pick this up. I thought this was really brilliant to do as a little embellishment. It has the witch legs, and then it has this little sign that says Happy Halloween. I thought it was really cute. We can definitely make some nice embellishments using this, and I thought it was really an awesome little topper, that we can kind of turn into an embellishment. That's awesome. I like that. I also picked up, which I was dying for, I bought 2 of these, and I kind of put them all in one little package because I don't want like having 2 of everything. So I just kind of like combined them all into one package. And these are the Halloween ephemera pack from Tim Holtz. Oh my gosh, they're so freaking adorable. Let me show you a few things. I don't want to show you everything because then this video becomes like super long, and I don't want that because I have a lot of haul videos for you guys coming up next. So it just has really fun little embellishments and ephemerals. It says Wicked on it. I love that. It's just so cute, guys. So cute. I so much like I am expressing to you that if you are at Michael's, make sure you get this. However, make sure you use a coupon because this is super expensive. This originally cost, I believe, was like $6.99. It was like expensive. I think this is really expensive, but if you use a coupon, it's absolutely a perfect price. I use 2 coupons. I use one for myself, and I had my hubby come with me so he can use the second coupon on the second pack, and it worked out perfect. It cost me like, I don't know, $3 and some change, which compared to like $7 is not so bad. And so yeah, it has really nice, adorable little images in this little pack. I cannot wait to build something with it. I just love it. I had one thing in here that I was crazy about, which was a bingo card. Let me see if I could find it for you. Here it is. I love this bingo card. Oh my god, this is so cute. But there's another one. Hold on. That's one of the bingo. This one. This bingo card. Oh my gosh, I love it. So freaking adorable. And there's just so many other things in here that are just so cute. So yeah, make sure there's a skeleton in here that I thought was so freaking cute. Look at him. How cute is he? So many things in here. I really highly advise you to pick one of these up, if not 2, if you have a chance, because again, there's so many awesome things in here you can do. But definitely use a 50% off coupon. Again, regular price, pretty high for my liking. I don't know. Okay, that's for that. And then I picked up some really fun ribbon. They had the ribbons 40% off. I picked up this little owl ribbon. Hold on, let me see if I can open it for you. Oh my gosh, where is my scissors? Okay, let me see if I can kind of show you what it looks like, because I don't think you can see it from that angle. But look how pretty that ribbon looks. It's so vintagey looking, right? I love it. It's like little bats running around and owls. It's just so cute, so vintagey. I love that. I really, can you guys see there? It's so pretty, right? I love it. So I love this vintage look to this ribbon. It's so pretty. I also picked up this one, which I thought was so cute. Let me show you. Try not to cut the ribbon. It's so cute. It's a little tiny, adorable skeleton that looks like he's kind of like dancing. So cute. I thought it was really adorable. I love it. I love it. And I also picked up one more thing, which was for the fall. I know one of my scrubbies asked me, am I going to be doing some fall projects? Absolutely, honey. Of course I am. You guys know me. I definitely love the fall, and I'm definitely doing fall projects for you guys. So here I picked up this really fun ribbon that has these beautiful pumpkins. I just love this ribbon. So gorgeous, right? I love it. And that's basically it. I did not pick up any other things besides this and the paper that I am going to show you guys next. So many fun things from Michael's. I love it. Everything that's Halloween inspired is absolutely gorgeous. They also have the Martha Stewart collection for Halloween. Oh my gosh, I love it. So much nicer than to me, in my opinion, so much beautiful than last year. I just love it. I just haven't seen any papers that are like Halloween inspired. I did see a lot of like party favors and party things, but I loved everything. They're really awesome things that they have this year for Halloween. I'm obsessed. So I'm gonna come back with another video for you guys, showing you in detail the papers that I just got. They have beautiful papers. As you already know, they have new fall and Halloween papers out now. I picked up a few papers that I want to show you guys. So come back, stay tuned, and I'll see you in a few minutes. Okay, honeys? All right, my loves.